Dogs and cats. Can't bring them into Canada unless they have a hockey uniform on. You have a dog or a cat? Dog. Aren't dogs great? The dog's always happy to see you. You're always happy to see. No matter what. If you come back 5 times in 5 minutes, the dog is still happy to see you each time. Huh? Oh my God, you came back. Oh, where'd you go? Don't ever leave me again. Now let me lick you. Cats don't care if you're home. Hey, Fluffy. Cats love when you're fat. They're always over there when you're fat. They're doing the elliptical, working out on your stomach, you know? Don't you move. I'll scratch the hell out of you.